Guys, look at that. He's like right off the road. It's so cool. I hope he gets plowed soon. I just hope he gets towed. Bye. Guys, now they have a skid steer coming in. There's 2 wreckers. There's a special watcher, surveillance. Then there's 2 wreckers, surveillance, skid steer, and there's a truck tipped over. Wow. Guys, I don't know if you can see, but they have one of the braces down so it doesn't tip over. There's like a ton of snow. Guys, they're about to do something. I've been out here for about maybe 30 minutes. It's getting cold. Well, guys, look it. Can you guys see that crane on it? That crane. It's like hooking onto it. Oh my God, it's so cool. Cool. Guys, they fixed it. Yay!